Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam error code 3 and the similar E87 login or launch issue that sometimes appears when Steam fails to start correctly or when a game file becomes corrupted. This problem can stop your games from launching or prevent Steam from connecting properly, but the good news is that the fix is usually quick and doesn't require reinstalling Steam. I'll walk you through the exact steps to close Steam completely, check running processes, and verify your game files so everything works again. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Steam fixes and PC gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into the solution. The first thing you want to do is completely close Steam. Sometimes Steam keeps background processes running even after you close the main window, and that can trigger errors like error code 3 or E87. To make sure everything is closed properly, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard. This will open the Windows Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list of running processes and find anything related to Steam. You might see steam.exe or multiple Steam processes running in the background. Click on each Steam process and press End Task to close it. This forces Steam to fully shut down and clears any stuck processes that might be causing the error. After you've closed all Steam processes, open Steam again normally from your desktop or Start menu. Now we're going to check the game files because corrupted or missing files are another common reason this error appears. Inside Steam, go to your library where all your games are listed. Find the game that is showing the error code. Right-click on the game and select Properties from the menu. A new settings window will open for that game. On the left side, click on Local Files. Then choose the option called Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan all of the game files and automatically replace any missing or damaged files. This process can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, so just let it finish completely. Once the verification process is finished, restart Steam one more time and try launching your game again. In most cases, this completely fixes Steam error code 3 or E87 because the client and the game files are now running cleanly without any stuck background processes. And that's it. That's how you fix Steam error code 3 or E87 quickly and safely. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick Steam fixes, gaming tutorials, and PC troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.